This video is showing you our ATEX drum mixer. This one's been customised to handle 200 litre steel drums and two different sizes of cylinder. We're going to use our DTP04 with an attachment and the normal catch for loading the drum and the cylinders into the mixing unit. The mixing unit is air operated, so we have connected an air line to the unit. The air will power the hydraulic functions of the mixer. First of all, we're going to get the depalletizer. Going to move it into this red drum here. The catch is connected. I can see it's all secure. We're then going to begin lifting the drum. We're going to load it to full height and then move it in and load it into the mixer. We now have the steel drum raised to full height and we're going to load it in the mixer. The mixer has a stainless steel base plate and this lifts the drum up and improves the centre of gravity during the rotation. Drum to full height, I'm going to manoeuvre in. It's important as we manoeuvre in that this right hand leg goes beneath the control box and the left hand leg goes within the actual mixer caged area. I'm just checking the alignment as I come in, checking how equal I am, making sure I'm in the centre. Once the drum's all the way in, you'll feel it touch the back of this head assembly. You know it's all the way in and ready to be lowered. Then lower it down gently. And then once the weight comes off the catch, you can simply remove the catch. Being careful not to clash, I'm going to remove the depalletizer from the mixer. I'll remove the depalletizer now and show you how to secure the drum. We've got the drum in the mixer head and we've moved the depalletizer. We're going to start to bring these band assemblies around the drum. These band assemblies are adjustable, so they adjust for the different sizes of cylinder and drum. They're an over-centre style design, and we have a locking pin once they go over centre. That's one attached, nice and tight, and I'll bring the second band in. And put my locking pin in. Again, the second one is nice and tight. I'm happy the drum's secure, everything looks tight, so I'm going to close my gates. The gates have got a limit switch here, so the mixing cannot start until this latch is put in place. Now the latch is engaged, we can start the mixing. So I'm going to show you that now. Stationed at the control panel, I'm happy that the drum is secure and the gates are locked. I can set my speed, so I'm going to set a moderate speed, and then I'm going to press rotate. I can increase the speed up to a higher level. And we can leave the mixer running for hours if need be. We can stop the mixer at any time. We can adjust the speed here, and we have an emergency stop if necessary. We'll now change this drum out for one of the cylinders. We now want to load this white cylinder into a mixing unit. We've still got our stainless steel base plate in, and that's to raise the cylinder up to the centre of rotation. This time we've got this band assembly on our depalletizer. This is rubber lined and grips the cylinder. We then have a ratchet strap that is passed around the front. If I move the depalletizer in, The band sits around, I'm lowered all the way down. I pass this strap around the cylinder and hook it on like so. I then take out the slack from the ratchet and tighten it. We have a nice tight strap around there, securing the cylinder into the depalletizer. So I'm going to now raise this to full height and load it into the mixing unit. Cylinder's raised to height, again push it into the mixer. Just watching my clearances here. Well clear on the bottom, so I'm going to low down slightly. Again, checking them nice and central. Lower down onto my base plate. I'm going to remove my ratchet strap. That's now clear. We can remove the depalletizer and secure the cylinder. We've secured this bottom band. We're now going to secure the top band. With these over-center clamps, we have a screw here, and we can adjust this position here depending on the tightness that we want to grip the cylinder. So for different size cylinders, as the diameter changes, we will need to adjust these clamps. So again, bring it round. Line it up. We've got two different hook positions here. One hook for certain drums and cylinders and the other for the larger ones. We then over-center it. Take our pin and secure it like so. Again, I'm happy. Cylinder's very tight. We can close the gates and start the mix. When we want to remove the cylinder, we need to put it back into a vertical. We have a jog function here which moves the cylinder incrementally. I can slow the speed down and then jog it into the vertical. At any time I can stop. I've got a spirit level to tell me when I'm vertical. In that position, the spirit level is showing me vertical, so I'm going to stop right there. To load this orange cylinder, the cylinder is taller, so we need to remove this spacer plate on the base. The spacer plate is stainless steel, and it just slots into place. It may be necessary for two people to move this plate out of the way to a safe location. The tool cylinder is loaded. We now bring in our clamping pads once again. We will secure these to keep the cylinder in place. We'll close our gates and then mix for the final time. We're now looking at the control panel of the unit. Here we have the emergency stop. Push down, this will cease all functions on the unit. To reset, twist clockwise until it pops up. Here we have the speed control. When it is screwed all the way in, clockwise, we are at the minimum speed. To increase speed, we turn the dial anti-clockwise. To start the mixer, we have an auto function and a jog function. As we jog the unit, the drum will move while we hold the button. When we let go, this will stop. With the automatic function, it will mix continuously. As demonstrated, this is the stop button and will stop the mix when it's set into automatic.